Learning management solutions are designed for the education community to easily conduct daily learning tasks. The Institute does not have to worry about teachers' management. How to assign teachers to multiple classes in the Tabschool. Sign in into your Institute dashboard. You will see sidebar navigation. Click on the Classes option. Next, click on the Add button, or the pencil icon to edit class. Make sure that you have already added the teachers before you assign them to a class. Here you will see an Assign Teachers option. Click on the box, you will see Teachers list. Choose Teachers from the drop-down. You can choose multiple teachers. Once you are done assigning teachers, click Save. That's all you need to do to assign teachers to a class.